everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make up to $100 a day with money-making apps that actually work and that actually pay. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, in today's method, it's going to go from easy to intermediate because there are some skills that you may need on one of the apps that I will show you, but two other apps are going to be pretty easy, and it's going to be a little for everybody because not all the apps is going to be for everybody, and like I said in other videos, it's really hard to find all apps for everybody. So there are going to be some that are for USA only, and there are some that are for worldwide, and I will try to tell you guys which one is which as I go through them. And if none of these work for you or some don't work for you, it is really best to check out the second link in my video description if you want a better way to make money online or find the way that I use to make money online. I make a passive online income every single month, and I do so by making a full-time online income doing it that way. And I use a business model that allows me to earn any time of the day because I earn from an internet business, and so that lives on the internet that allows me to earn any time of the day. And I get to work on my own schedule. So if you want something like that, check out that second link in the video description, as that is the same program that I use to learn some online skills that allows me to do what I do. Alright, so in today's video though, I'm going to start with something very easy, which is fetchrewards.com. Fetch Rewards is a huge app, very popular app these days, where you are going to make money from uploading your receipts, okay? It is so easy to earn money this way because this is literally free money, okay? If you have nothing to do during quarantine, if you have nothing to do but having a pile of receipts in your house, guess what? Start scanning those receipts, okay, with this app. So, easy savings at any grocery store every time. We work directly with popular brands to bring you savings on thousands of products every day, no matter where you get your groceries. Just scan your receipts and let us do all the work. So this app is available on Apple and Google Play, which I'll go in a second. So what you're doing here is just scanning your receipts, scan your grocery receipts wherever you shop. Then you're going to earn points on thousands of products every time they appear on your receipt, and then you're going to redeem your points for your choice of hundreds of available rewards. For this particular app, you are not going to be paid out actually cash or anything like that. You are going to be only earning rewards, okay, like gift cards, and I'll show you what the gift cards are in a second. And like I say, their reviews are really out of the world, which I'll show you also when I get to the app store. So thousands of ways to earn. Fetch Rewards works directly with popular brands to bring you everyday savings on thousands of products throughout any grocery store. You can earn points and save without jumping through hoops. Buy what you want, where you want, and save. So as you can see the scrolling brands over here, if these brands are familiar to you, then this app is probably available for you. If the brands aren't familiar to you, then it's probably not for your country, okay? Because Fetch Rewards, I'm assuming is USA only, but there are some brands on here that I have no idea. So I'm guessing it could be for other countries because I don't know all the brands on here. But I don't know everything, so that's the only thing, okay? So receipt scan, there's millions of receipts already scanned, and people are using this app and really loving it. So if I go to the review, the Apple Store for Fetch Rewards, look at, it's almost a 5-star rating, which is insane for this type of app. And insane amount of ratings. 500,000, are you kidding me? And still at 4.8. So not only this app works like crazy, but it actually, people are earning tons of points and getting and redeeming tons of rewards, and that's why the ratings are so awesome. You can submit grocery receipts up to 14 days after the purchase date on the receipt, and you'll still get all your points. So there is a 14-day limit on the receipt. So it needs to be fairly new. Okay, so you can't just scan all your receipts that's just sitting rotten on your in your house. Okay. Google Play. Google Play Fetch Rewards is rated over 4 stars still, but not as many people are using it on Google Play, which is surprising. So Apple users are using it way more than Android users, and they are still rating a fairly high for such an app at 4.2. Okay. The next one I want to show you is SnapWire. Now this one is for sure going to be worldwide, or at least available for multiple countries. Okay. So this one is to earn money as a photographer. You shoot pictures on either your phone or an actual camera. And this is the app that I was telling you about, intermediate, because you do need some photography skills to earn on here. So if I just went back to SnapWire, and how to get to SnapWire is snapwi.re. Okay. If you want to become a photographer or content creator for this site, this is a website where they sell photos, okay, high quality photos. So as a creator, you click the creators button up top and you get to this page. And from here, you could learn about how to be a photographer. But on this particular page, I don't know why, but they just feature a bunch of photographers. But you could become a creator and click that. And here, this is more of where you want to be, because this is where you're going to learn more about how this program works and how you can sell your images for a lot of money, really. So make custom visuals and earn money doing what you love. You take brilliant shots and you can get paid for them. Okay, so there's 2 ways to earn on here. You could be a creator that's listed on here, and then you can get brands and businesses actually post requests, and you can actually apply to those posts by submitting your shots for their projects. So businesses can actually go on SnapWire and post a challenge or a campaign, a challenge, whatever you want to call it, or a gig, that there's certain things that they are looking for. And photographers and creators can actually just kind of submit their images for the project. And they get to pick the winner, and then when the winner wins, then they earn whatever the project was for, okay? So you can earn like that. But if you were to use their platform and to have them host your images and sell your images on their marketplace, then you could earn by commission, okay? So they will take part of the commission when you sell your images on their marketplace. So this is how it works, okay? Fairness and respect come first. Micro stock sites often pay less than 20% on sales to creators. Photo sharing sites take advantage by keeping your copyright for themselves. We can do better. So this site, they're saying they're going to do better because you're going to keep more money here, and you're going to be probably keeping your own copyright. So here on the requests and challenges that businesses, like when businesses post their gigs or their campaigns that they want people to submit images for, you get to keep 100% if you were picked winner for those campaigns. And then if you want to use their marketplace, you get 50% split with them, which is very high actually, because majority is less than 50%, and as they were saying here, usually it's less than 20%. So them giving you 50% is quite huge, and you keep your copyright as well, which is big, so that you own all the images that you upload on here. So if I look at their payout link down here, it goes to this page, and it just kind of breaks down even more, because people who are on SnapWire, if they were to buy images, they would actually pay for a subscription to download images. So there are subscription payouts, and this is the marketplace pricing. So there are different pricing that your images can be sold, and different ways that it can be sold. So this kind of details that out a little bit more, okay? So they pay out through PayPal or Stripe. The SnapWire app ratings are pretty good. They are above 4, but not a lot of people rating that one on the Apple Store. But there's a few more people rating on SnapWire, which is still a 4-star rating, which is not bad at all. So the next app I want to show you guys is Featured Points at featuredpoints.com. Now this app is going to be 13 plus, and I believe this one can be worldwide, and you can get cash payout through PayPal on this one. So this one could be for a lot more people, and you can earn by different ways. Okay, so for Future Points, got a few minutes to spare while waiting in line? Make your time more rewarding with Featured Points. We've paid millions of dollars in rewards to our users, and you can even win instant contests available. So you can get this app on both types of phones. And what you're going to be doing here is completing surveys, like easy stuff like, do you own a dog? What car do you drive? And what kind of game consoles do you use? So these are just sharing your opinions and getting paid for them. And then you can earn cash back if you're going to shop at your favorite stores through their app. You're going to get cash back for the purchases that you make through this app. And then you can also download apps, try free games and apps to earn points. Just try the app for a few minutes and you'll be credited. So you could download apps to earn points as well. So this is very easy to earn, guys. So there are 3 ways to earn. Or 4 ways to earn. You could win contests. You could complete surveys. You can earn cash back, and then you could download apps, and then you can still earn by sharing with other people. So you get paid up to 50% every time your friends earn points, and it's for life. So you could redeem with rewards that you like, gift cards, or you could do PayPal. So if you don't have PayPal, you can do rewards, gift cards. So this is a good one for a lot of you, because this one is going to be 13 plus. So I'm going to have a little recap here. So this is the little recap I made for these 3 apps so that you know which is which. So the photo one is going to be for most country but 18 plus. The fetch rewards most likely is USA. I'm not sure. I couldn't really find, but I think it's USA, but you can check it out. But it is 13 plus, and so is Feature Points 13 plus, and this is going to be worldwide, or most countries. So I don't know if it's worldwide. So these are the apps I wanted to show you today. And remember that using apps like this, it will be harder for you guys to earn because these types of methods are limited on how much you can earn. And that's why building your own online business is going to be the best way to earn much more. So check out the second link in my video description. That's something where that you can learn how to build an online business where you can earn a lot more and make some real online income where you can really depend on it and have consistent income come in every single month. In order to do that, you need to build an online business and learn some online skills in order to make that online business work for you. So check out that program in the video description. It's going to be the second link. So check that out, and I hope I see you there. Okay. So I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my videos come out. I come out with videos every single week, guys, so get notified so you can see when they come out. I see you on the next one. Bye.